If you've ever tried sending emails for your business, you already know it's not as simple as it sounds. Emails don't land, tools feel complicated, and sometimes you're just not sure what's actually working. So I checked out a tool called Email-It, and it's built to make email sending a lot more straightforward. At its core, this is an email delivery platform. You can send things like newsletters, updates, or even system emails like password resets and order confirmations. And you can do it either through a simple dashboard or by connecting it to your app using SMTP or an API. What I like is that it doesn't try to overcomplicate things. You can create campaigns, manage your audience, and send emails without jumping through a bunch of steps. It feels more direct compared to some of the bigger tools out there. Another useful part is how it handles your sending setup. You can connect your own domain, verify it, and keep everything under your brand. That also helps with deliverability, which is a big deal if you don't want your emails ending up in spam. You also get tracking built in, so you can see if emails were delivered, opened, or bounced. And if something goes wrong, like emails failing or bouncing, you can actually see what happened and fix it. There's even a feature to clean your email list. You can upload contacts and check which emails are valid before sending anything. That helps protect your sender reputation and keeps your campaigns running smoothly. Now, to be fair, this kind of tool is not really for complete beginners. If you've never worked with email systems, things like SMTP or API might feel a bit technical at first. And from what I've seen, while it works well overall, some users mention that deliverability can depend on how well you set things up, so it's not completely hands-off. But if you run a business, a SaaS product, or even an online store, this kind of tool makes a lot of sense, especially if you want more control over how your emails are sent instead of relying on basic tools. So overall, Email-It feels like a solid, no-nonsense email platform. It's not trying to be flashy. It just focuses on helping you send emails reliably and giving you the tools to manage everything in one place. And honestly, if email is important for your business, having that kind of control can make a big difference.